Yes, hello everyone, hello my people. I'm Nathan Nkajja, the proprietor of the Winners Animal Farm. Yes, if you want to be successful in piggery, just watch this video. You will enjoy it, you will like everything I do, you will like what we do, you will like the farm. Yeah, I'm going to have a small take around of the farm. It's a very small farm on a small piece of land, but it is really a good farm. Yeah, as you can see, this is our structure, a very beautiful structure. Yeah, we can go around. Goes. We are on a small piece of land that is 40 feet by 100 feet, but the farm only occupies half of it, actually quarter of it. It occupies the first 40, then only an 40, the 40 feet, the other feet. So as you come down, you can see that we have a small plantation. You can see this is our farm. Yeah, so you can see that the farm ends here, just half of it. Yeah, now you can see that the other half of the land is for a plantation, a simple plantation for us. Yeah, yeah, this is located in Budo. Yeah, Nakauka Road or Masaka Road or Entebbe Road. You can use whichever you want, you can reach. Yeah, you can see our farm is such a beautiful farm. We have our structure here, then we have our plantations here. Yeah, we get money from both. Yeah, as you can see, the farm is established on standards. We have our water tank. Our water tank is an underground one. Yeah, you can see the water comes direct from the roofs, from the rooftops to here. Yeah, so here we have around 20,000 liters of water. Yeah, that's our water tank. Yeah, now we are going to go around the buildings. These are our buildings. You can see on a very small piece of land we do something beautiful, something that you will love, something that is actually marketable. Yeah, I'm the proprietor of the Winners Animal Farm. My number is 0703 986586. That's the number you will use to reach me if you want piglets, if you want grown pigs, if you want pregnant sows, if you want very big, whichever comes. Yeah. So yeah, you see, we still actually have a work in progress, a construction that we are going to do so soon. This is the sun. It will get out. Don't worry about that. Yeah, this is the entrance to the beautiful farm. To the beautiful farm of a young farmer. Yeah, you can see as you come in, we have a small area here. It's for our guests, everyone that comes around, to check out the farm. You will have a seat. Yeah, you will first have a seat. We shall give you a seat to sit. Then we can actually prepare you some tea. Then you can actually have a chance of looking around the farm. Here, in this small house, is our store for keeping feeds, for keeping every material that we use, for keeping our wheelbarrows, for keeping our brooms, for keeping our basins, jerry cans, our feeds, our medicines, everything that we use on the farm. Yeah, this is the room. Yeah, you can actually check it out. Yeah, we have something in here. You see our pressure. You see, we have things there. The wheelbarrow, our sprayer, the feeds are there. Yeah, good stuff. No? Yeah. Now, taking a look at things, these are the pens we have for our animals. You see, they are so beautiful. God, they are beautiful. These are the pens. We have two sides. We have an area here. It's a space which I would call the exercising area. We put the animals here in times of when it's too hot, they come here because it's always cool. They come here and play from here. Yeah. Now we can go pen by pen. I take you through. Uh, I work with a bunch of people. We are just 3 at the farm. That's the bunch I'm talking about. Yeah. Now we can try visiting our pens. Here you see me in one of the pens with this beautiful animal. Yeah, this is only 3 months old. Yeah, but you say it's growing. It's very stubborn. I know, very stubborn. Very stubborn. But that one you should, now, as you come to the next pen, you see our pens are beautiful. The next pen has babies. You see, they like me. They like us. They are very good. Yeah, those guys. Yeah. So these are 2 months. These are 2 months. The very small one is 1 month. I don't know why it doesn't grow. Yeah, but that's 1 month. All these others are 2 months. These are exotic braids. These black ones are local braids. Yeah, these are locals, the black ones. Then these white ones are exotic braids. This is a large white at 2 months. It's actually looking so good, so beautiful. Yeah, this is our pen for the babies. Every baby that we have will go here, there. Yeah, those that are 3 months and below. Yeah. Now, I think that's enough for the babies. For some of those babies, we can go on and check out others. Yeah, you can see the way it drinks. Yeah, they like water. We have clean water at the farm. We give them the water in plenty. When you come to this area, yeah, as I said, this is the exercising area. Exercising area is sometimes these babies and the growns get fed up of the small space they have there. So they want to run around. If they feel like running around, we shall have to bring them out here. We feed them in these troughs you see there, over there, and here. We feed them from there. Then they can actually be here the whole day and play from here. That actually stimulates their growth. Yeah, you know, when they have enough space, they will grow, they will eat enough, and they won't have vices of pricking each other's tails, pricking the ears. You know. Yeah, so it will all be a good thing. Yeah, to have them in a bigger area. Yeah, continuing with the children, we have a pen here that has so many 2 months old. Yeah, you can see. Yeah, here you can see. It's actually a whole village of 2 months old. These are 2.5 months, but you can see they are very beautiful. Yeah, they play around. When you come around, they will run. They are used to the other stuff of, you know, exercising area. Yeah, when they're here, these are 11. All of them are exotic braids. Yeah, we have this is a landrace. Then all these are large whites. Yeah, these are 2.5 months old, and currently they are not for sale. The ones we had for sale are done. These ones we want to grow them for meat. So at 5-6 months we shall be disposing them of. Yeah, you can actually make an order in advance. Yeah, those who want to make money, you have to get some of these. Yeah, they are very healthy, they are very beautiful, they are very active. You can see they run around. Yeah, this is that's how they do. Yeah, now continuing to the whole farm, we have several animals. Now we can try check out this in a small pen. Yeah, when you open some of these are stubborn. See, they can leave them back. This is a male. You know, they love us. They love me. They love all of us. Yeah, you see, this male is now 4.5 months. It's looking healthy. Yeah, we are keeping it such that it can be able to serve some females that we have. Yeah, you see, when you do this, when you bond with them, they will grow. They will let you do whatever you want. You see, yeah, and this actually gives them peace. They will treat you like their own friend. Yeah, they can't bite. Yeah, but when you beat it, it will show you that, you know, it won't also respond as you would want it to do. Yeah, so this is a male of 4 months. Yeah, it can run out. Yeah, that's okay. That's okay because still it's an exercising area. Yeah, where it can eat from. Yeah, it can have space here. Yeah, when it feels like it wants to go back, it will go. Yeah. Coming on to the next. There, yeah, coming on to the next. Actually, we first have to fight with this one to go back to its pen. Yeah, because it has seen food. It won't want to go back. So it will have to go back. Oh, yeah. It's there. It's there. It has seen food, eh? Yeah, that's the fight we go through. Now, this is a female. Yeah, this is a female. You see, it's huge. It's big. Yes, baby. It's big. It's a female. As I told you, you're just supposed to create a bond with this. When you create a bond, it will stay still. Yeah, this is a female of 9 months, and currently it's pregnant. Yeah, it's pregnant. This is a mother, and it's pregnant. So I don't know what I should say. Yeah, but it's pregnant right now. So it's 9 months. Yeah. Then, moving on to the next. It's also a female. These are females. Yeah, this is not opening. This needs a hammer. Yeah, this is a female also that's pregnant. You see, they're big, they're huge. They're huge, yeah. They want this love, they want the love, they want the love, yeah. It's also pregnant. You see, it's a serious farm. Now, the next is a castrated male. This is castrated. It's the dirtiest we have on the farm. It's very, very, very dirty. You see, look at its pen, but it's such a healthy pig. Yeah, it's up for sale. This one is up for sale at only 700,000 shillings, Uganda shillings. It's up for sale. You can buy it for yourself. Yeah, anytime you want, you can come for it. Yeah, that's a male, and it's castrated. Coming on to the next, this is a female. This is a female. It's also pregnant. Yeah, you see, it's really a huge one. It's long. When it stands up, yeah, it's a female. Yeah, they love us. They love us. It's a female that is like a week pregnant. Yeah. We can go on to the next. We have so many at the farm. At a small farm like this, farm does us wonders. Yeah, coming on to the next. This is one of the cool ones we have. It's very cool, you can't believe. It's huge and cool. Yeah. This is a female. It's a female. Yeah, that got a miscarriage. Yeah, it was pregnant like 2 months back, but got a miscarriage. Yeah, but that doesn't make us run out of the business. Yeah, it had to become pregnant again. It's now also a week. Its pregnancy is like a week. Yeah, that's a female. This is how they can be stubborn. That's how they can be stubborn. Now here, we have one that I don't open for because it's aggressive. Because it's a male, and because it does all the work, has been doing all the work of making this pregnant, of serving the females. It has been doing that work. And welcome to Mr. Male. Mr. Male is black. Mr. Male weighs 120 kilograms. Mr. Male is so stubborn. Mr. Male, we fear Mr. Male. He's also friendly, you can't believe. Give him what to eat and he will show you love. Don't give him what to eat, he will show you hate, yeah? Yeah, so this is the Mr. Male. Mr. Male is so good, he's so beautiful. Yeah, you can see him over there. That's Mr. Male. Mr. Male is okay, yeah. So a small walk around the farm, that's what we can have for you in this video today. Please, my dear youth in Uganda and all over the world, those who can be able to watch this video, please have trust in yourself. Be committed to do something small. Anything small you can do brings an impact to both your life, to your family's life, to the population around, to the community, to everyone that is actually around you. Yeah. So just try with the little you have, do something. Yeah. Try to open up a shop. Try to start a farm. Farming you can never go wrong with farming. Yeah, you can never go wrong. Enter poultry. Go into piggery. Yeah, rear goats. Oh, okay, do plants. You can see there at the back we have our banana plantation. It's a small banana plantation that can get us some small money, you know? Yeah. Please just be committed to whatever you're doing. Yeah. Just know no one has a lot to do stuff, but we all, you know, start from scratch. This farm is now a year. It made a year on the 23rd of February. So it's a year. As I'm talking, it's a year and it's coming to a year and 1 month. Yeah, it has been able to get us some small money. Yeah, but we shall get more and more. Don't forget to subscribe, yeah, to our videos. And also, please, in case you need a piglet, in case you need a mature pig, in case you need guidance, in case you need knowledge, in case you need anything, don't hesitate to call us on our business line. It is 0703 986586. That's our business line. It's a Ugandan line. This is a Ugandan farm on Entebbe Road. Please don't hesitate to check it out. Thank you very much. God bless you, and may we be able to serve ourselves. May we be able to have a life together. Thank you. Take care of yourselves and have the best in life.